laptop to do court. For the last 2 days, it's been telling me there's a problem with the server.
Oh,
And I couldn't get in, so I had to go in through my personal one,
oh, yeah.
which is why it kept kind of acting weird yesterday when it was kicking us off or not, but not kicking us off.
We were having bad connection.
Yeah, well, the weather, everything was so bad yesterday. Okay. All right, good morning, everyone. I have Tracy Tillman and Shanika Taylor. Are those your correct names? Please unmute, let me know.
Yes.
Perfect, thank you. Then I have an unnamed iPhone. Would you please unmute, give me a name? You're unmuted. What's your name, please?
Damon Tipton.
Thank you. D-A-M-O-N-D?
D-A-M-O-N.
Okay, there we go. Tim. All right, guys, I'm going to get you into a breakout room to meet with an attorney before I hear your matter. There's a little bit of a wait this morning, but it's not too bad. Please be patient. Do not use the help button. If you need to leave court for some emergency, return to the main session and we'll reschedule you. Don't use that help button. It causes everything out here to stop. All right, I'm going to get you in. If you know that you need to show things like registration or insurance documents, use your time to gather those items. I'm going to go ahead and get you into breakout rooms right now. Ms. Taylor, you are going into, were any of you already here
No.
this morning? Okay.
Yes.
Ms. Tillman, I thought you were. Okay. Yep. So Ms. Taylor, you're going to go to 15. Ms. Tillman, I think you came out of 13, so I'm going to send you back there. Then Mr. Tipton, you're going to go to 16. Go ahead and hit join, please. Kenneth Cook, maybe an officer. Not connected to audio. Okay, Mr. Cook, is it Kenneth Cook? Sir, can you hear me? Still not connected to audio. There we go. Mr. Cook, can you hear me? Go ahead and unmute.
Hello?
Hi, what's your name, please?
Kenneth Cook.
Okay. I don't think I have Cook. Do I? All right. I don't have last names that begin with C on my docket. Why are you in this courtroom? Did you get a notice of some sort?
Yeah, is this courtroom 435?
No, this is 437. So you put in 437 in the middle instead of 435. 360
Okay.
435 0000 is what you need to dial.
Say that again.
360 435 0000 is the meeting code that you need to enter.
Okay, thank you.
Have a good day. Bye-bye.
You too.
Morning, Ms. Horn, giving you co-host. Oh, look at that cute.
Good morning, Your Honor. Thank you. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning. All right, Arias Pinkston, good morning.
Good morning.
I'm going to place you in a breakout room to speak with an attorney before I hear your matter. There is a little bit of a wait, so please be patient. If you use the help button, it just makes me stop court out here. It makes it take longer. It's not too bad today yet. Go ahead. If you need to gather items like proof of registration or insurance, use your time to get that done. You're going to room 17. Please hit join. On Serlina Tipton in room 4, I think that's Soroki. He's saying he can't read the offer, so he may need to get some clarification there. Okay, thanks. Deja Truitt. Thank you. Ms. Truitt?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good morning. Are you moving? I'm getting a lot of wind noise.
I actually am. I'm trying to make it back to my destination. I was all the way in Detroit, and now my mailbox and stuff is in Taylor, so I was going to my mailbox. But I know that I needed to do this court date. So
Okay, Ms.
yes,
Truitt,
ma'am.
I just need you to stop, Ms. Truitt. I just need you to stop moving so that we can do your case, and then you'll be done with me, and you can go on about your day.
Okay, so I'm literally in the lift. I'm not driving. I'm in the lift.
Are the windows down? Why am I getting so much noise?
No, I don't know why you getting so much noise. All of the windows are up.
Okay. Okay.
I'm
All
sorry.
right.
I don't know why.
Okay. Okay. All right. Calling ticket number P1113137. City versus Deja Truitt. Ms. Truitt, state your name for the record, please.
Deja Truitt.
Thank you. Ms. Truitt, looks like you're going to be pleading guilty to the reduced charge of failure to display a license. Is that correct?
Yes, failure to display the license. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Did anyone promise you anything other than that reduction to get you to plead guilty today?
No, I don't know how this stuff goes. See, I was just talking to
Ms. Truitt, I've got questions that I need to ask you in accordance with the court rules. They require a yes or no answer, and that's it.
Okay, well, I didn't know that. This is my first time going to court.
I just
so yes.
Ms. Truitt,
yes.
Relax. Just relax. Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into pleading guilty today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, I guess, yeah.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Say that again.
Did the attorney advise you that you have the right to a trial?
Yes. He said I have a right to a trial, yes.
And did they explain the rights that you would have at a trial?
Give me one moment.
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am, I understand.
Please raise your right hand and swear or affirm that everything you are going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes. Everything I say is true.
All right. Is it true that on September 15th of 2020 in the area of Dexter and Tyler, you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Thank you. Your fine is $190 and you have 60 days to do one of two things. Pay it off in full or get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor by giving them a down payment. As long as you do one of those two things in the next 60 days, your deal will remain in place, okay?
Okay.
Have a great day.
Okay, thank you. You too.
All right, bye-bye. What keeps happening to Johnson? He's having tech issues, I think. Quincy Tiggart, were you previously in a breakout room?
What is that, who?
Were you previously in a breakout room?
Yeah, it was the phone hung up.
Which room were you in?
10.
Thank you. Don't answer your phone. Please don't do anything else on your phone, because if they come to your room and you're not in there, they're going to skip you and you'll be at the end of the line. Room 10, go ahead and join. All right, let's get you back co-host again.
Thank you.
All right, they need an offer from April 13th, I guess, on Mark Tompkins.
Yeah, so those.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll go back and find the offer while you're working.
Okay, thank you.
Mhm. 413.
And he has no documents, no documents.
Okay, thank you. That helps. Thank you. So try to go back to the,
Right. Okay.
what was the 13th?
On Monday.
Okay, Monday. So then she would have maybe sent those Monday or Friday. For some reason, I think Mondays were late, right?
I think.
Let's try right here. Nope, that's April 10th. How do I get back to that? Why is that there? Okay, I gotta find the offers from the 13th. Wait a minute. Oh, that's Friday. Okay. Why is this in the Monday? What? We must have needed to look at the offers for some reason from the other day on that one. Okay, here it is. What's the first name on Tompkins from the 13th? Is it Mark?
Mark.
Okay, let's see. There it is. One count of FTD, dismiss insurance. Okay, we're going to be ready on Serlina Tipton next. Thank you. Good morning, Miss Tipton.
Good morning.
Good morning. All right, I'm going to go ahead and call your matters. Calling ticket number P187-5177, City versus Serlina Tipton. Ms. Tipton, just state your name for the record, please.
Serlina Tipton.
Thank you. All right, looks like you are going to be hold on. Advice, dismiss. I'm going to have to look at the offer myself here. I don't understand it either. Give me one moment. Where are the offers for today?
I put them up there. I don't know what that means either.
Oh, you gave me the offer sheet too? Thank you. Yeah, well, she's got a civil, and then she's got a driver's license never acquired, but it looks like it's saying they're dismissing the device and turning the driver's license never acquired into a 1 to 5 limited, which of course does not work. So let's see, can't do that. In just a second, we'll get you going. Here we go. Oh, that's why. Because she's only got one thing on the docket. She was letting them know that they also have a device ticket. All right. And the device ticket is going to go to a 1 to 5 limited with the license ticket dismissed. Okay. All right, Ms. Tipton.
Yes.
Looks like we're going to reduce the disregarding traffic control device to 1 to 5 over limited access and then dismiss the license ticket. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Okay. Calling ticket number P1875177, City versus Serlina Tipton. Ms. Tipton, just state your name for the record, please.
Serlina Tipton.
Thank you. Okay, as we just discussed, you're going to be admitting, because it's not a guilty plea, it's just a civil infraction. You're going to admit to 1 to 5 over limited access, which will save you points. That's a 0-point ticket, and they're going to dismiss the license ticket. That's what you understood would be happening?
Yes.
Okay, just raise your right hand and swear to tell the truth, please.
Swear to tell the truth.
Thank you. All right. Is it true that on March 8th of 2026 in the area of Greenfield and Plymouth that you were going at least 1 mile per hour over the posted speed limit?
No,
Stop. We can try this. Hold on. We'll try this a different way. Is it true that you disregarded a traffic control device at that date and location, which we are reducing to 1 to 5 over the speed limit? Limited access.
Yes.
Okay, then that's fine. All right, so I'll accept your admission. I'll reduce it to the 1 to 5 over limited access, dismiss the license ticket. Your limited access ticket is $125, no points. 60 days to get it paid, or to see the cashiers on the first floor with a down payment for a longer term payment plan. As long as you do one of those two things in 60 days, your deal remains in place, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a great day.
You too as well.
Thank you. Ms. Tyner, good morning. Mr. Taylor, I'll be with you in just a moment.
Good morning.
Good morning. Calling ticket number P1874003, City versus Amber Tyner. Ms. Tyner, just state your name for the record, please.
Amber Tyner.
Thank you. Good job getting your insurance and registration together. All your tickets are dismissed. Have a
Thank
great
you.
day.
You too.
All right, Mr. Taylor, good morning to you. Does he have any? Okay. Do we know if there's appointed counsel there?
No,
No, there's not, or we know we don't know.
no, I don't think there
Okay.
is.
Mr. Taylor, please unmute.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you this morning?
I'm fine. How about yourself?
I'm good. I'm going to get you into a breakout room to speak with an attorney before I hear your matter. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all?
As of today, no.
It's really hard to hear you. Could you please speak up?
No. I haven't spoke to anyone.
Okay, that's fine. Somebody will come see you. I just need you to try to turn your volume up or speak up, because in order for this to work today, we're going to have to be able to hear you. Okay, I'm sending you to room 3. Go ahead and hit join, please. They'll be there to see you.
Okay.
You know what?
What?
Mark Tompkins afternoon.
Oh, okay. Oh, hold on then, because I just sent Rodney. Let's see. He has no docs. He's got cases on the 130.
Yeah, minutes paper. Yeah.
Do I have that page of the docket?
130?
Yeah.
Yeah. It should be
I don't have it. I just have the 9:30.
Oh, if you're looking at the offers, you only have.
Oh, that's right. Thank you. I am.
I have these old cases back.
Hey, I just wanted to let you know, Attorney Johnson,
Yes.
we just found that he has a number of tickets on the 130 as well. Same thing, paper, license suspended, insurance, plates, valid registration, but he also has a failure to signal while leaving the curb. So just let him know we found his offer from Monday, but it's actually good that he did miss the court date because now they can all be put together in a global offer, but we're gonna need to see Ms. Warren about it.
Okay. No worries. Thank
Okay, thanks.
New tickets. Tickets.
If Romel Pope has registration and insurance, he'll be good to go. All right, Mr. Hold on one second. All right, good morning, Jerusha Turner.
Good morning.
Do you have proof of insurance today?
No, I do not.
Okay, that's okay. You'll just need to wait for the attorney to come see you. Then I'm gonna move you and then move you back to room 11. So please watch your device so that I can move you twice.
Okay, so I press it twice.
Yeah, go ahead to 18, then I'm gonna move you back to 11. So press yes, go to move, and then watch your device and I'm gonna move you again. Hey, Soroki.
Yes, and Miss DeQuita Taylor, she answered for a court-appointed attorney for her case, and so I've given her a date. Does she have to come in front of the court, or can I just excuse discharge?
You can excuse her. It'll be the next pretrial date. If we're requesting
I have
appointed
it.
counsel, it'll be at 9:15.
Okay, thank you.
Mm-hmm. Morning, Tompkins. How are you? Good. Mr. Taylor, you came out of your breakout room. I need to send you back.
Yes, okay, okay.
What happened?
Yeah, that's just it. Right back to this.
Mr. Taylor, I'm gonna listen, you're scheduled for trial today. I can't see you. I can't hear you. That's gonna be a problem. So I'm gonna ask you to start your video. Thank you. Now try to turn your volume up.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. I have it up to the max. I'm on my tablet. I have it up all the way. I'm not sure what's going on.
Okay, well, you're gonna need to just really, it's gonna maybe feel like you're yelling for us to hear you, but I can't hear you and I gotta be able to hear you.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put you back in breakout room number 3.
Okay,
Go ahead and hit join, please.
okay.
Must be waiting on Pope to get his registration and insurance docs, maybe, I don't know. Let's see. I moved Prince up just so he'd be up closer. Gosh, this feels crazy after the last couple weeks
Yeah,
to even have a moment to breathe.
I know. I said, no, but I should be okay now.
Mhm.
The way the morning is. I don't know. I should have stuff.
Does Jerusha Turner have any others? Does she have a bit? Good morning. Good to see you in person. How are you?
Doing all right. What about yourself?
I'm good. Which case are you here on today?
I'm standing in for Attorney Reese Carpenter on the T-Cell Powell motion.
Okay. Oh gosh. Yeah, I think we scheduled that for 10 a.m.
Oh, no, it's 9:15.
9:15? Okay, perfect. Then we'll just wait for Ms. Powell to log in and then it's a pretty quiet morning. We can get it done.
Perfect. I'm gonna pop up the prosecuting office and touch base with that. Make sure
Okay, sounds good.
From there. I'll be back.
Yeah, let her know that we'll be ready on that motion and on time. So
Perfect.
thank you.
Thank you.
She had old speed ticket 2020.
Ms. Powell?
Turner.
Oh. Well, if it's from 21. Oh, it's defaulted, right? Then we can do that. It's too late. I heard my waiting room ding, but I can't see my waiting room. Where is it? You see the waiting room? I'm not showing anybody in the waiting room, but I heard a chime. All right, ready on Romel Pope next. Thank you. Good morning, Mr. Pope. All right, calling ticket number. Oh, man, hold on. Okay, Mr. Pope, you've got all your valid docs, so here's what's going to happen. You've got license, registration, insurance. Those are going to get dismissed. However, you also have two matters in default that are problematic for you that you're going to want the city attorney to deal with. That is, one is for disregarding a red or yellow light, which does have points. So you're going to probably want to try to get something that doesn't have as many points at least. And then you also have one for failure to have your CPL license in your possession. They're both in default, but they're recent enough that I can do something with them for you. But we need the city attorney to see what she's willing to offer. Okay.
Okay.
So, uh-huh. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have you go back to the breakout room so that Ms. Horn can address these two matters, because you don't want to have these on your record. There's no reason, I just misspelled possession. There's no reason to be stuck with these if we can help it. So. All right, can you see if you can go back to your breakout room? Oh, wait a minute. Yep, you need to go back to your breakout room, unfortunately. So you're in 9. Go ahead.
I don't know how to get to the breakout room.
That's okay. I'll help you.
I see it now. Okay, join breakout room.
Yeah, go ahead back there. And they'll come see you. Right, we've got Jerusha Turner is going to go. That's room 11.
She's ready.
Yep. Jerusha Turner, good morning.
Good morning, Judge.
All right, calling ticket number P1123853, City versus Jerusha Turner. Ms. Turner, please state your name for the record.
Jerusha Alicia Turner.
Thank you. Let me just make sure you don't have, oh, this is really old. Okay. All right, Ms. Turner, looks like you're going to be pleading to 1 count of improper plate. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Did anyone promise you anything else? You should plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Ma'am, is it true that on October 14th of 2020 in the area of 7 Mile in Lincolnshire that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit without proper plates due to a lack of insurance?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Your fine is $190. You have 60 days to get it paid.
Okay.
Can't pay it in the 60 days. You may see the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse. As long as you give them a down payment within the 60 days to start on a longer term payment plan, you can keep your deal in place. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Have a great weekend.
You too. Thank you.
Mr. Perry, okay, I'm going to go ahead and get you into breakout room to meet with Attorney Soroki before I call your matter. He'll be with you shortly.
Okay, yeah.
Go ahead and hit join, please. All right, Attorney Masseria.
Good morning again, Judge. They asked me to, Ms. Horn asked me to zoom in to talk to her.
Okay, thanks.
Yep.
All right, you've got co-host, you know, she'll go to 2.
Thank you.
Officer Cherry, good morning. Which case are you here on, please? Officer Cherry, please unmute and let me know which case you're here on, please.
Hi. Good morning, Your Honor. I'm so sorry my button was messing up. For Perry Ormer?
Very good. He just checked in. Very good. Gonna go ahead and get you into breakout room.
Okay, thank you, Your
Hi,
Honor.
good morning. Omer, Perry. Going to room 1. Go ahead to room 1. I'll bring Masseria back out. Is that who you were coming into?
I believe, is he here for the firearms
Yes.
motion? The people would ask for a 3-day adjournment if possible. Reese Carpenter actually filed that motion, and I asked him to file a proper proof of service. He filed it with the court 5 days last month before he delivered it to me. Once I got it, I had no date on it. And it might be my fault. I can't file a response, but I would need like an hour. However, I asked him to file a motion with the proof of service properly to me. He got it to me on Monday since our last hearing.
Well, when did he get the, let me just, let's call it.
Okay.
And then we'll get it on the record. Officer Nelson, which case are you here on, please?
Prince.
Thank you.
Good morning, Judge. How are you doing today?
I'm great. Thanks. How are you today?
Oh, excellent. It's Friday.
I know. It does feel good. All right. Going to get you into room 1. City Attorney will be there to see you shortly.
Thank you.
Sorry, guys. Give me just a second to update these rooms. But the officers are here on these 2 trials. Where's my, oh, Perry.
Mr. Masseria, I'm in the courtroom now, physically.
Oh, here, let me move the camera around. Maybe he can see.
So if you want to come down.
Oh, do you want to do that? Otherwise, I'm trying to move the camera so you can see everybody. Oh, he might be on his way down now.
Okay,
he just froze.
Thank you. I'll talk to him. He did stop by the office, but.
Okay.
Yeah.
I will tell you, I'm a little worried because Ms. Powell keeps logging in because she wants her property back.
No problem.
So,
and if I can just file a written motion, I'm in the process now.
Okay.
This motion is only 4 lines.
Okay.
So, but I'm just.
I get it.
Yeah. Hey, thank you. Yeah.
You're standing in for a reason. Sure.
Yeah.
All right. A couple more going while they're working that out. Officer Hatcham, good morning. Which case are you here on, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. It is, I just had it up. Therese. Sorry, I just.
Oh, Prince. Okay.
Yes, sorry, I just had it up. I don't know where it went. Okay, yeah.
And am I pronouncing your last name correctly?
Yes, ma'am.
Hatcham? What did I say?
No, you said it right. Hatcham.
Hatcham. Okay, thank you. I got one of those hard to pronounce names, so I like to ask.
No
okay,
worries.
room 1.
Thank you.
City Attorney will be there to see you.
Yes, ma'am.
Sergeant Huber, good morning. Going to go ahead and get you into room 1 to meet with City Attorney on Prince. Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you.
Okay, Ms. Perry, good morning to you.
Good morning.
File, please, Madam Clerk. Perry? Sabrina
Yes.
Perry? Okay, sorry, I'm just getting your file.
Your first name.
Thank you. Okay, we have ticket number P1879681 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Sabrina Perry. Ms. Perry, just state your name for the record, please.
Sabrina Perry.
Thank you. Ms. Perry, looks like you're going to be pleading guilty to 1 count of failure to display a valid license, 2 counts of improper plates. Everything else would be dismissed pursuant to the plea. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Madam Clerk, Ms. Horn, would you approach, please?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. I have Sabrina Perry in front of me who is pleading guilty to 2 counts of improper plates, 1 count of failure to display. However, she has a defaulted ticket for improper lane use, which is less than 2 years old. Would you just take a look at that and see if
Yes.
there's an offer
We'll
there?
move for dismissal, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. It'll be included with the dismissal. All right. We were just discussing, ma'am, that you had an improper lane usage ticket in default. City attorney has agreed to allow me to pull that ticket out of default and dismiss it with your other tickets pursuant to this plea. All right. So we've got the 2 improper plates, 2 failure to displays, everything else being dismissed pursuant to the plea. Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Counsel advised you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial.
Yes.
You understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial.
Yes, I understand.
Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me is the truth.
I do.
Thank you. Is it true, ma'am, that on April 10th of 2024 in the area of Kelly Road and Cedar Grove Street, you were operating a vehicle and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Is it also true that your plates were not proper at that time due to a lack of insurance?
Yes.
And is it also true that your plates were not proper due to the vehicle being improperly registered or not properly registered at that time?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Plea is accepted. On your registration ticket, the fine is 100. On your insurance ticket, the fine is 100. On your failure to display, that one is 190. So both of those, and I said insurance and registration, but they're going in as improper plates, okay? That's just the basis for the improper plate. All right, so you've got 3 fines. You've got 60 days to do one of 2 things: pay those fines off in full or see the cashiers on the 1st floor of the courthouse for a longer term payment plan and get started on the payment plan by giving them a down payment. As long as you do that, your deal will remain in place, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye. All right, we ready on this Powell matter?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay. All right. Calling case number P1761856, City versus Natija Powell. Appearances, please.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the people, P70303.
And Frank Sarah, P87848, standing in for Attorney Reese Carpenter on behalf of Ms. Powell.
Thank you. All right. I understand that this was Mr. Carpenter's motion. Ms. Horn, I understand that you have a motion as well.
Yes, the people would ask for a brief adjournment for maybe 3 days, even by 11. I would like to file a written response to the motion. Procedurally, this motion, I believe, was filed in March to the court. I received the motion 5 days later from Mr. Carpenter. I asked him, once I read it, I did send it over to Captain Cameron, who appeared in your court before. During that time, I asked Mr. Carpenter to please send me a properly proof of service and, dated motion. And that was at our last hearing. He sent it on Monday. The week got away from me, and I realized yesterday that this hearing is today, and I have not filed a written motion. However, I would like an opportunity because DPD, Detroit Police Department, and the people are denying the request on the basis. And I don't have to say the basis. If the court is willing to adjourn, we can.
Okay. Okay. All right. Thank you. Attorney Massaria, any?
Yes, Judge. I understand there were some service issues in this case by Attorney Carpenter. sure it's not malicious, but it's slipped the mind, of course. And I do know there is some technicalities to this one that kind of set it apart from other ones. I would have no objection to the 3-day adjournment.
Okay, all right, very good. Yes, there definitely is some little technicality to this case that does need to be addressed through the motion and the response. So I want to give both parties time to fully move and brief that. So we'll give a little more time here. And Ms. Horn, I know we have been in amnesty time, and I know how I have felt working one courtroom the last few weeks, and I cannot imagine how you are dealing with working multiple courtrooms. So I certainly find that there is good cause to adjourn the case. I do want to move it quickly because, you know, this is Ms. Powell's property that she believes she has a right to, and I don't want to continue to deprive her of that. So let's get it done as soon as we can. Ms. Horn, realistically, so that you're not causing yourself, we don't want to lose people around here because we'll start to if we keep working everybody to death like we are. How soon do you think you can get this done? When should we bring it back?
Your Honor, like I explained to Mr. Masseria, I mean, not even a week.
Okay.
I mean, it's a if you see the motion, it's only 4 bullet points, really. Just want to respond to that and also put in cite the authority that I'm responding to so that the court can make a decision. So that's fine. I started it and I'd like to turn it in by the end of business today. It's not that long.
Okay, all right. Well, let's get then, today is the 17th. Do you know what our dockets look like next week at all, Madam Clerk? Do you have a date next week that you think would be best?
Let me just really quick.
Like Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday? Don't bother with Monday and Tuesday.
Wednesday is probably the better day since there's no afternoon.
That works for me, Your Honor. It does.
Okay, so what time do we want to do this? 10 a.m. on Wednesday? Does the docket look like we could handle it at 10? A day like today, we probably can.
Wednesday is fine.
Wednesday is fine? Okay,
Thank
so
you,
Wednesday at 10 a.m.?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, Your Honor.
can we do that? One of you guys will come.
Back in the case, not have his calendar in front of me.
Very good. Perfect. Okay, Wednesday at 10 a.m., guys.
Thank you
Before
for your
I
grace,
lose
Your
you,
Honor.
of course, before I lose you, because I know I will. I've got a Mark Tompkins in room 5.
Okay.
So he had an offer. And I'm just trying to see. However, he has a couple things that need to still be dealt with. He had an offer because he missed court Monday. We're all done. Attorney
Okay.
Sarah, thank you. Have a great day.
Sure. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. All right.
Feel free to donate. They bring donuts almost every day.
Okay. So on Mark Tompkins, we had an offer, but he has additional tickets that we just need to get an offer on him. For today. He had tickets for today as well. I think they're all paper. Do I have the Tompkins file? And then Romel Pope, kind of the same thing. Romel Pope, he has all of his paper. So he's got an insurance, registration, and license. Those can get dismissed for compliance, I think. But then he's got a red light in default and a no CPL in possession in default.
Oh,
That's right. Yeah, that takes a minute.
So the CPL, Your Honor, is it written under F5 228 425 F5?
Where is that?
3.
It is written under F1, 28.425 F1 is what it
The
references.
people will amend for F4,
Okay,
which is $100 fine.
okay,
That doesn't really mess with his gun license.
okay,
And on the moving violation, Your Honor, blockading.
okay.
And you said that was,
Romel Pope.
and what was the speed?
This would disregard red or yellow.
We'll do blockade.
Okay, and then, yeah, and he's got his paper, so those other ones. Okay, very good.
And then Tompkins?
Tompkins, that's the Tompkins file right there.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. No, I appreciate you doing this while you're here with me.
This officer called me struggling, logging in.
Okay.
I keep calling.
Okay.
And they are asking.
docket sheet? So Tompkins, he has off docket matters? Or all of this stuff is on the
He
docket?
had matters, no off docket matters for today. He had an offer for Monday,
And then he has afternoon.
but he's got cases on our afternoon today. He missed court Monday. So you had made him an offer on Monday. But these cases that were included, that we have for this afternoon were not included.
Can I come back and review it?
Sure.
I don't have anything on me.
Yeah. And then they're going to need a revised offer on Quincy Tiggert because they have valid documents. So they're wanting a revised offer there. And that's room 10. And
Okay,
Tiggert
yeah, I'm gonna
can
have
come out
to,
of the
yeah.
breakout room.
I'm gonna have to come back. Thank you, Tim.
Okay. Yeah, we've got a very short docket today. I don't know why, but ours is quite short.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to come back. I wanna be able to sit down and like review it.
Thanks for coming in,
Okay.
running in to take care of that.
Absolutely. Thank you, Your Honor.
Sure.
I'll call stand up.
Yeah, and if you just coordinate with Johnson and Soroki, we may not need you.
Yeah, we have each other's number.
Yeah, okay. All right. Officer Dolly, going to get you into breakout room number 1. City attorney will come see you there.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. All right, I've got Mr. Tipton here. Good morning again, Mr. Tipton.
Good morning, Judge Ramsey.
Okay, calling ticket number P1880350 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Damon Tipton. Mr. Tipton, please state your name for the record.
Damon Tipton.
Thank you. Looks like you're going to be pleading guilty to 2 counts of failure to display a valid license, 2 counts of improper plates. Everything else would be dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm everything you're going to tell the court today is the truth. Just name and answer, please.
Yes.
Thank you. Sir, is it true that on March 12th of 2026 in the area of Alter Road in Waveney, that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes, that's true.
Thank you. Is it also true that there were not proper plates on the vehicle due to a lack of registration at the time?
Yes, that's true.
And is it also true that there were not proper plates on the vehicle due to lack of insurance at the time?
Yes, that's true.
Thank you. Is it also true that on December 30th of 2025 in the city of Detroit at Mack Avenue in Cadillac, that you were operating a vehicle without proper plates due to a lack of registration?
Yeah, that's true.
All right, thank you. You're going to have 2 fines of $190 and two fines of $100. Okay, so on your first failure to display, that first one we did, that one is $190. Then the improper plate on that ticket is $100. The other improper plate on that ticket is $100. And then on the other ticket that we did on the registration, that one's on its own ticket. So that one has to go back up to $190 again. Because you have 4 different fines, I'm going to give you 90 days.
I'm already on a payment plan with 36 District for tickets. That's all. That's all I was just explaining to the lawyer that was in there. I'm trying to see, can I pay these 6 no insurance tickets that I got on this paper that I asked him about so I can renew my plate? That's what I'm trying to do now.
Well, I don't understand what you're asking. Didn't we just take
I got
your plate?
insurance. I got insurance, but I cannot drive or renew the plate until I got 6 no insurance. I got 6 of them. I got my sheet right in front of me. I have 6 of them that the courts highlighted. Y'all dismissed 2. So I'm trying to see if I pay these other 4 today or within a time frame.
Mr. Tipton, put the paper down. Put the paper down. Put the paper down. So I can see your face while you're talking to me. Move. Okay. And then give me just a minute so I can try to understand what you're asking me. I need to get an officer in. Officer Salome, good morning. Which case are you here on, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here on Taylor.
Thank
First
you.
initial J.
Gotcha. Thank you. I'm going to go ahead and put you into breakout room 1. City attorney will be there to see you.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay. All right, Mr. Tippett. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. So you're telling me you're on a payment plan already.
Yes.
You have a lot of tickets that were still open in front of me today, okay,
got
that
you.
we are dismissing pursuant to your plea. Today, you pled to 3 counts of improper plates and 1 count of a failure to display. Everything else is being dismissed that's in front of me today. If you're already on a payment plan on some tickets, those would not have been in front of me today. Are you telling me you're already paying off no insurance tickets?
Yeah, that's what I'm explaining. And I can't drive unless I pay the no insurance ticket to renew the plate. That's what I'm trying to do. That's why I got the insurance. That's why I'm paying the insurance. Because I got to keep paying insurance to pay the no. I got no proof of insurance. 4 more tickets I got to pay. So I'm asking before you give me the 90-day balance to pay those tickets. Can I pay these tickets first so I can renew my plate so I don't have to keep getting pulled over for expired plate? No proof of registration. That's what I'm asking.
Yeah, so here's what's happening with these tickets. You don't have to pay $1 for the next 90 days on these. I don't care if you pay it all in 90 days. I don't care on the 89th day. It doesn't matter to me. I don't care if you wait to take these to the cashier and have them rolled into your payment plan. You don't have to do anything with these yet.
All right.
Okay, you're not required to pay on them yet. I've given you 90 days, and that's why I do give more time, because I realize that people are already in other payment plans or things that might take a minute to save up the down payment for a payment plan. So if I understand what you're saying to me, I think you should be just fine, because there's no money due on these for 90 days.
All right.
If what you're saying is having the conviction at all is going to mess with your license, we've reduced these to improper plates, so they're not no insurance tickets. And they don't generally mess with your license when you're trying to get things in order.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Have a good weekend, Mr. Tipton.
You too.
Okay. All right, Mr. Pope. So, city attorney came back. You had these 2 tickets in default. Remember, we're dismissing your document tickets, but you had 2 in default. One is failure to have CPL license in possession, okay, which can mess with your CPL license, but they're offering a reduction to a different area of the statute that doesn't mess with your CPL license, and it's just $100 fine.
Okay.
Then you have disregarding a red or yellow light, which is currently putting points on your license because it's in default. They've agreed to allow you to move that ticket out of default and give you blockading traffic, which is about as good as it gets in traffic court. It's 0 points and it doesn't report out to insurance. So that's what would happen with the 2 civils, and then your other tickets would be dismissed. Do you want to do that?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So calling ticket number P1790623 and all other related matters on today's docket in City versus Romel Pope. Mr. Pope, please state your name for the record.
Romel Pope.
All right. So we'll start with the ticket ending in 0623 is a driving without a valid license, and ticket ending in 4383 has tickets for registration and insurance. Defense counsel has reviewed proof of all of those today and is moving to dismiss those matters. I'm going to grant that motion. These tickets are dismissed. We then have your 2 civil infractions that are in default. Would you like me to pull those out of default, Mr. Pope?
Yes, I would.
Thank you. All right. So then these are just admissions. So raise your right hand, please, and swear affirm that you're going to tell me the truth today. I just need an answer.
Oh, yes, I'm gonna tell you the truth today.
Okay, you can put your hand down. Thank you. Then you are admitting that on September 9th of 2025 in the area of West Adams and Park Avenue, you are admitting to the charge of failing to have your CPL license in your possession. Is that correct?
Yes,
And did you have your firearm in your possession at that time?
yes.
Okay, we're doing this one under the F4 section of the statute so that you have $100 fine and it won't mess with your CPL license, okay?
Okay.
All right, and then we have the disregarding red or yellow, but here you are admitting to blockading traffic, which is a reduction so that you're not getting points on that ticket and it's not reporting out. All right, and you are admitting to that?
Yes, I am.
Okay, that's fine. That one's 175. Okay, so you've got 100 and 175. You've got 60 days to do one of two things: pay them off in full or start on a payment plan with the cashiers by giving them a down payment within the 60 days. You can do it on the 59th day. As long as it's done within 60 days, this deal remains in place, okay?
Okay.
And you do want it to remain in place because otherwise you'd have points on your license and we're getting rid of those, okay?
Okay, thank you. I appreciate you.
You are welcome. Have a great weekend, Mr. Pope. Okay. Okay, here we go. Who else we got here? Oh, this is on Miss Powell, who will probably zoom in at 10 a.m. because she does zoom in.
Time are you scheduling that for Wednesday?
10 a.m. Is that okay? Well, that's what I told him. Okay.
That's fine. I just couldn't remember the time.
All right, we've got Tracy Tillman. I can't get her to come out of the room. I have to start telling people in the beginning to watch their devices to be moved. She could go if I get her here. Can I have the Mark Tompkins file, please?
I printed it for the Wednesday, that's Monday.
Okay.
That file is weird.
All right. So does this represent all of his tickets, the ones I'm holding in my hands now?
The ones from this afternoon. Yeah.
Sorry, yeah.
Mr. Perry.
Right there, as I was taking a picture for
Mr. Perry.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi. Did you know you were speaking to me? Do you know you're not muted?
Yeah. I was I was saying like I came out of my breakout room because I took a picture for the attorney and it disconnected me from Zoom.
Okay. Give me just a minute. I'm gonna rename you and put you back in. Do you remember which room you were in?
6.
Thank you. All right, I'm gonna move you. Yep. Okay. I'm gonna move you back to 6. He's still in there waiting for you. Go ahead and go into 6. Okay, so Tompkins offer from Monday. Where did it go? I had put it in there. Back to this again. This is from Monday. All right, Tompkins. Cannot get Ms. Tillman to come out of the breakout room. I'm gonna move Attorney Johnson there to get her out. Thank you. All right, Ms. Tillman, good morning again.
Good morning.
All right, I've been trying to get you out of the breakout room for a minute so we could get you
Oh,
out
I'm
of here.
sorry.
Okay, calling ticket number X4652240, City versus Tracy Tillman. Please state your name for the record, Ms. Tillman.
Yes, Tracy Tillman.
Thank you. I've got one count of no operator's license being reduced to failure to display a valid license. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
Just the attorney.
Did the attorney tell you anything else, like to try to get you to plead guilty other than they were going to reduce the charge to failure to display?
I'm not sure about that.
Okay, I have to ask you these questions under the court rules to ensure that your plea is made voluntarily and knowingly.
Okay.
Yes or no questions. They're not trick questions. I know it sounds like it, but they're not. Okay. Did the attorney promise you anything else in addition to the reduction of the charge to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you have at a trial?
I'm sorry.
Did you hear my question?
No, I'm sorry.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Okay.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial?
Trial,
Listen,
yes.
I suspect that you're trying to work while you're talking to me, which is not a problem. I just need you to pay attention and answer my question so that we can get this done and you can get back to work. Did counsel advise you that
I'm
you have
sorry,
the right to this matter?
I'm sorry, it's my phone.
Okay.
Yes, I'm
Did you
sorry.
get
Yes,
back-
trial. Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial in this matter?
Okay.
I don't know what okay means. My question was a yes or no question. Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial?
I said yes. I'm sorry. Yes.
You said okay, but thank you. And did counsel explain the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Correct. Yes.
Thank you. Okay, please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth, and I need an answer, please.
Okay. Yes.
Thank you. All right. You can put your hand down. Is it true that on February 17th of 2026, in the area of Hall Street and East State Fair, that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Thank you. Your fine is going to be $190. You have 60 days to get it paid or to start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor by giving them a down payment. As long as you do one of those two things within the next 60 days, this deal will remain in place, okay?
Okay.
All right. Have a great weekend.
You too. Thank you.
Thanks. Yeah, that's one of those work from home things where you can't have your face off the camera for too long, I think. Okay. All right, what are we doing here? And then can I see the Tiggert file, please? This is Mr. Tompkins. What is going on?
So I'm just waiting for offers from Ms. Horn. I did
I
send
understand.
an email and a text.
Okay, thank you. I asked her to, she's got something going on in the other courtroom, which was pulling her away pretty urgently, so we'll get with her and just, okay. Yeah, I texted her. Do you have Tompkins or Tiggert or both?
I don't have his tickets. I have Tompkins, of course, and we're just waiting on the offer.
Okay, so on Tompkins, I did reach out to her as well, because what I had was that the offer from Monday was one failure to display and then dismissing insurance or improper plate. That was from Monday. And then today he's got registration, suspended license, no insurance, expired plates, but then he's got this failed to signal that needs to be dealt with too, which is a points ticket, as you know.
Right.
I just asked her what to do about those. Then on Tiggert. Oh, you said you don't have evens, you're on odds.
I'm on odds, so the only other person I have is the trial, which I need an offer on because Salam appeared, and then Ramel, he had those additional civil infractions that were in default. So
Okay. So, on Romel Pope, we dealt with him. They were just civil infractions, so I was able to get him done. They reduced it, the CPL to an F4 charge under the statute. So there's just $100 fine. Won't mess with his CPL license. And then he got blockading on the other one.
okay. All right, then just Tompkins again. The
All
trial.
right. Thank you. And then so the only one here on that trial that you're waiting on is Salome.
Yeah.
Okay.
So he doesn't
Thank
have
you.
anything. So did Anderson show up?
The only officers that have shown up are those that are in the breakout room, unless, Madam Clerk, have you heard from any other officers?
I haven't heard from Anderson or James Taylor.
Okay.
So I'm just talking about,
Yeah, for James Taylor. So Salam is here. So we just need an offer on the probably FT.
all right.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
May I have that file, Madam Clerk? What's the charge on Salome's ticket?
Failed to stop at a stop sign and no operator's license on person.
Okay, thank you.
Mhm.
Got Keith Tony, who just got here. Keith Tony, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you this morning?
Good. How you doing?
I'm good. Let's see what time you're scheduled for today. All right. Can we run an SOS on Mr. Tony, please? Attorney Johnson, I may ask you to go in with Keith Tony. He's got a driving while license suspended and defective brake lights. The offer is to failure to display. We're going to run an SOS before I put him in the breakout room now.
All right, thank you.
Okay. It's suspended, Attorney Johnson, so his offer is to the failure to display.
All right, and just missed the other. All right, thank you.
Yeah. I will move him into breakout room number, let's see. I'll move him to 7. Mr. Tony, go to room 7, please.
Okay.
Okay. Who is this?
Officer Cherry is on the phone.
Okay. Who is he? Which one was he on?
Omar.
Omar Perry. Okay, thank you. Okay, that's fine. He doesn't need to say thank you. All right, we need Ms. Horn back. We're to stall. Okay, we're at a stall with officers and citizens waiting, period. We need you back to resolve these last few matters, period. Okay. Prince, Taylor. That was the only one here for Omar Perry. Okay, so this one will be a dismissal.
Yeah, the other 2 that he spent at 9:25. Omar Perry, he got tickets after this was already scheduled.
Oh,
for
great.
trial.
Okay, where's that file, please? Because I was just going to tell Soroki it's a
This is the
dismissal.
one for dismissal.
Okay.
And these are the 2 ones that.
All right. We'll be with you in a moment, Mr. Tiggert.
Yeah, my
all
phone
right,
died. It died.
That's fine. We'll get you back into breakout room just a minute. We're waiting on the city attorney on your case anyway, so give us a minute. Sorry, give me just a moment, guys. I just want to get Mr. Tiggert back into the right room. Attorney Soroki, on your trial case with Omer Perry, Officer Cherry appeared, and Officer Cherry wishes to dismiss his charges. He also, though, has 2 tickets that he got since then, which are for no insurance, disregarding red or yellow light, and I'm not sorry, 3 expired plates, no insurance, and disregarding a red or yellow light. So his trial case is getting dismissed. We can call that one and do that if you want. But then, do we have offers on the ones for today, Madam Clerk? Because maybe you don't have to wait for Ms. Horn.
He has insurance. He showed me insurance in his name.
Oh, that's great.
Yes.
It
I have
wasn't
it in the chat.
After the document, you know. This was.
You just found those.
We
You
found
know, the
all-
interesting thing about it too, Judge, is that open alcohol ticket, he didn't even know the bottle was in his car. It was like on the floor in the back seat, and the police officer found it and poured it out. It was like a little bit of beer in there. He wasn't a typical open alcohol type of ticket, but
got a car that looks like mine. Okay, because I have no idea what's in that car. I start digging around. Okay, Mr. Perry, I pulled you out because your trial case with Mr. Perry, start your video, please, so I know you can hear me. Thank you. Your trial case with Officer Cherry is moved to dismiss. However, since we scheduled your trial date, apparently within the last month, just about a month ago, you got tickets for no insurance, expired plates, and disregarding a red or yellow light. Mr. Soroki says you've shown him proof of your insurance today, which is great. Hopefully we can do the same thing with expired plates or registration, but you've got this disregarding red or yellow signal that's going to need to be dealt with, because if it stays like it is, it's going to put points on your license. Okay. So he needs to speak to the attorney about that, and it's going to take just a minute because she's in another courtroom.
Yeah, I was gonna say I just plead guilty to the red light because I know I did run through that light.
Mr. Perry, this is why we tell you, you have a right to remain silent.
Oops, am I? You ain't hear that.
I just told you that particular charge is putting points on your license.
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to act like I didn't hear you say that.
Yes,
so
ma'am.
you can go in the room and talk with Mr. Soroki.
Yes, ma'am.
So are we gonna call the first case to dismiss the one?
All right, you want to get rid of that one? Okay.
Yes, let's just resolve it.
Calling ticket number P1815731, City versus Omer Perry. Soroki.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to your staff also. Alan Soroki, P37441, I'm here on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, sir?
Omer Perry.
Your Honor, at this time, defense is accepting the dismissal of the prosecution in this matter.
All right. Thank you. Yes, the Officer Cherry did appear for the record, and Mr. Perry is obviously here with us. Officer Cherry did appear, advised the court that he wished to dismiss the tickets that were related to him. So we're going to go ahead and dismiss the cases that were scheduled for trial today, leaving Mr. Perry just to deal with these new civils that he got the other day when he was pulled over, or also the no insurance misdemeanor. Sounds like you have proof of the insurance today, so that's fine. Just want to know about the expired plates, and then I'll let you deal with Ms. Horn on the red or yellow. That red or yellow light is a points ticket. She might reduce it to something that doesn't have points. Okay, Mr. Perry, so just go back in the waiting room and wait to see her. Where did I have? I'll send you back to room. Where were you?
Maybe 10.
Room 6.
Oh, 6.
Okay, I'll just put him in 8 if that's okay, so he's not so far down.
That's fine.
Appreciate you, Your Honor.
Okay, sure thing. We'll see you in a minute.
Yeah.
Go to room 8.
Have any police officers showed up on Tyrese Prince?
Yes, we have several officers here in room 1 on Prince.
Okay, I don't have an offer
Officer Dolly, Officer Hatcham, and Officer Nelson, and Sergeant Hoover are all here on Prince.
And Stevanovic.
Uh-oh, sorry, hold on one moment.
Stevanovic called, I gave Miss Attorney Horn his number. He was having trouble logging in.
The Officer Stevanovic?
Stevanovic.
Stevanovic also called, okay.
So, see here, did Greenwood appear on?
Nope.
No. And Martis did not. And Thornton did
Nope.
not.
Those just those ones. Can you see the breakout rooms? They're just those ones
Okay,
and the
thank
one
you.
that we told you.
I'm
Okay.
sorry. Okay, I'll
That's
go
okay.
see.
Okay. Can I have the
Okay.
Keith Tony file, please, Madam Clerk?
Let's see.
Thank you. Mr. Tony, go ahead and turn your video on, please. Bless you. All right, calling ticket number P1878128, City versus Keith Tony. Mr. Tony, state your name for the record, please.
Keith Lamar Tony Jr.
Thank you. You have one count of defective brake lights, which is going to be dismissed pursuant to the acceptance of your plea to a failure to display, which is a reduction on the driving while license suspended ticket. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Please raise your right hand and swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth. You just swear to tell the truth, Mr. Tony.
Swear to tell the truth.
Thank you. All right. Is it true that on March 11th of 2026 in the area of Gratiot and Burns, that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Your fine is $190. I'm giving you 60 days to do one of two things. Pay this off in full or start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor by giving them a down payment. That's how you keep the deal in place, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Have a great weekend.
You too. Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Tiggart, let me get you back into your room. I remember what was going on with Tiggart. Okay, Tiggart file. Can you remind me what was going on with Tiggart? I don't know. He's got 2021 in default. Can't do anything about that. 2021 in default. This was one of those where there were more cases than we had on the docket today. Would you just take a look at it for me? Thank you. I'm really my brain. Oh, here's Ms. Horn. Okay.
Okay, hi,
Hey, Ms.
Judge.
Horn.
Patience. I'm all
Okay.
I'm ready.
Okay, so we've got your three that are here for trial. FYI on Omer Perry.
Yes, Your Honor.
Officer Nelson wanted to dismiss the tickets that were scheduled for trial.
Okay, so both tickets, insurance, and the intox?
Right, he was dismissing. However, Mr. Perry has some new cases, which are a no insurance misdemeanor. He has proof of insurance today, disregarding red or yellow, and expired plates.
Okay, let's roll with a blockading, Judge, and move for dismissal on all matters, other
All right,
matters. Thank you.
And then I've got Mr. Tiggart, who will need you on after you deal with your other trial matters.
Yep, Mr. Tigger. Okay, let me see. Check that off.
You can deal with the other trial matters first.
Okay, thank you.
And then, and Mark Tompkins, I sent you a text about Mark Tompkins, who we do need a update on.
Thank you. All right, thank you. That was lingering. Okay.
This was set to the side.
There is a reason.
Yeah, the offer is.
Give me just a minute. All right, Mr. Perry, the city has offered to reduce your disregarding red or yellow light to blockading traffic so that it's 0 points and doesn't report out to insurance, and dismiss the other 2 tickets. You want to do, it's $175 fine, but it's no point.
Yes, ma'am. I'll do it.
So it's this is ticket P1881629, counts 1, 2, and 3. No insurance, disregarding red or yellow, and expired plates. Mr. Perry, state your name for the record.
Okay, Perry.
Thank you. All right, so city is going to dismiss the no insurance and the expired plates and reduce the red or yellow, which would have been a points ticket, to blockading traffic, which is 0 points, okay? But that means you are admitting, raise your right hand, swear, affirm that you're going to tell the truth.
I swear I'm gonna tell the truth.
Okay, thank you. Now, you already admitted to me that you ran the light, which is fine. We'll still reduce it to the blockading pursuant to the city's offer, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Yeah, if we had a trial, I might have had to recuse myself, but since we didn't go that route, it's okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, 175 is the fine on blockading. I'm going to give you 60 days. In those 60 days, you can either pay it in full, and I tell people, I don't even care if you paid on the 59th day, just so it's done in the 60 days, or start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor in the next 60 days. If you can't get that full amount together, they'll just ask you for a down payment. Give them the down payment, get started on the payment plan within the next 60 days, and your deal remains in place, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, have a great weekend, Mr. Perry.
Thank you, Your Honor. You as well.
All right, thanks, bye. All right, let's see what's going on. Okay, Mr. Tigger, we've got, let me see what's on the docket for today and what's in my hand. 1, 2, 3, 7. I've got 7 counts there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nope, there's stuff that's not on the docket. 6.
Is it those older ones?
Yeah. I don't know. Let me look. I don't know. Lord, who is this now? Phone number ending in 9240. What's your name, please?
Roderick Terry.
I'm sorry.
My name is Roderick Terry.
Terry.
All right, Mr. Terry, I'm going to put you in a breakout room. You're late for court.
Yes, ma'am. I know, ma'am. I
Really?
kind of cut up this morning. I apologize. I was just trying to call y'all.
That's okay. You're just lucky we're still here, so a warrant doesn't go out. So you need to be on time, because if court had ended, that, warrant would have gone out. All right. I'm going to put you in room 7. Someone will be with you shortly. Okay, Ms. Horn?
Yes, you had mentioned Omar Perry Nelson wanted to dismiss those matters.
Cherry. Officer
Right,
Cherry.
Omar Perry, right. I'm not showing Nelson as the officer on those tickets. Maybe
It wasn't Nelson. It was
okay.
Officer Cherry. Officer Cherry checked in on Perry.
And wanted to dismiss. Okay. Got it. Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Okay, I'll be back.
And yeah, Mr. Tiggert, I'm just working my way through your file. Give me a minute.
It's okay, ma'am.
So we have 185-4699. 185-4699. Okay, this one's on the docket. Then I have ticket ending in 2135. This is on the docket. I have 2089. That's on the docket. And then I have 1880. That's on the docket. All the tickets that I have in my hand for Mr. Tiggert are on the docket and included in the offer. So, but I swear you had told me something. Maybe that he has, oh, that he has a valid license now. That's what it is. So they're looking for, okay. All right. Now I understand, Mr. Tigger. Your license is valid, so they were asking the city attorney for a revised offer, considering that your license is now valid, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna go ahead and get you into a breakout room. I'll send you to 6. Please hit join. Okay, there we go. Now that makes sense. Can I have that other Omer Perry file? I want to make sure that I've answered Ms. Horn's question accurately. Thank you. That's chairs. Okay, that's not, I just want to be sure. Thank you. Did he have, can I see that? Were there other cases scheduled? Did it get folded in? I just want to see
That
those
was his, court appointed sheet. I
for
keep
Soroki.
everything
Gotcha.
together.
Okay, thank you. Understood. Maybe they contacted Ms. Powell and let her know because she's not zoomed in. I was holding the file just in case, but I'm gonna go ahead and give it back to you. What is our date? I gave them Wednesday, next Wednesday.
22 at 10.
There you go. She's good. She'll have her offers ready in a moment on these trial cases. Salome was here. I don't think Anderson appeared on Taylor.
I don't think so either. And we haven't heard from Anderson, have we? Tompkins and Officer
Not on the sick or furlough list.
So, we haven't heard from Hunter, Thompson. Did Ambrose check in?
No.
Artists or more. And Anderson did check in on the page.
So I don't have all of those. The only one I have in the file are Salome's ticket and Anderson's ticket.
Yeah, I was doing prints.
Okay.
I just realized that.
Gotcha.
Yeah. That I down the whole 9:30.
I mean, these last couple of weeks, I think we're all of our brains are fried.
Yeah. I just went down the whole.
I needed those couple little days.
Yeah.
We'll just wait for them to get ready. Terry got a blockading on that other set of tickets, so he's gone.
Oh, he's
Dismissal of
gone.
everything.
Okay. I was wondering what happened to him. I was
Blockading, dismiss
That's
everything
good.
else.
Very good. Let me go back and talk to Tamika again.
I do want to make sure that she knows we have, are you on evens or odds?
Even. I'm taking care of Prince. So
Okay,
she's
so Quincy,
working on an offer. Okay.
I just want you to know Quincy Tiggert came back. That was the one where the license was valid, but you were looking for a revised offer.
Okay. I'll take care of him. Thank you.
Okay, just want to make sure Ms. Horn knows that she needs that. Okay, thanks.
Okay. So let's see here again.
Phone number ending in 9240, name please.
My name is Roger Terry. I was just here. I think you say you put me in the waiting room, but I lost contact and made me go through it all over again.
Okay, please don't answer your phone or do anything like that while you're in the breakout room, or it will kick you out. You know, you're already late, and so if you get kicked out again, they're going to end up missing your case altogether. Tell me your last name one more time.
My last name is Terry, Terry.
The first name again, please.
Roderick, Rodrick.
Thank you. I'm going to put you back in the breakout room. The attorneys are going to come looking for you. Please try to stay in there.
Yes, ma'am.
Room 7. Oh. No info from SOS? Never seen that before. All right, Mr. Tiggert, ready on your matter, it looks like.
Yes.
All right. Like you were rewarded for getting that license together. That's good. Okay. We'll call ticket number P1151880 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Quincy Tiggert. Mr. Tiggert, please state your name for the record.
Yes. My name is Quincy Tiggert.
Thank you. Looks like you're going to be pleading guilty to blockading traffic, which is a 0-point offense, and the expired plates. Everything else today would be dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to, well, these aren't even guilty pleas today. All right, raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yeah. I swear I would tell the truth, nothing but the truth.
Okay. Is it true, Mr. Tiggert, that on March 11th of 2026 in the area of Asbury Park and Clarita, you were blockading a moving lane of traffic?
Yes, ma'am.
And is it also true that you had expired plates at the time?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. All right. On the blockading, it's 175. Do you know the expired plates, Madam Clerk?
145.
Okay. So 175 and 145. 175 on the blockading, 145 on the expired. I'm giving you 60 days. Within those 60 days, you may do one of two things: pay them in full or get on a payment plan with the cashiers. Within that 60 days, by giving them a down payment, as long as you do one of those two things, your deal will remain in place, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a great day, good weekend.
You too, ma'am.
Thank you. Hey. Okay. Tompkins, and then let's see, who else was it?
I did talk to Mr. Soroki on Tigger for blockade.
Yes, we
blocking
just got
traffic.
him done. Thank you
Yep.
for doing that. All right, so we're gonna do I got Mr. Taylor, then I've got Mr. Tompkins, and then I have, let's see. All right, one moment, Mr. Tompkins. Okay, what was the offer on Tompkins?
I don't have one. I was gonna look at the file. I know you.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay, Mr. Tompkins, I need to move you back to your breakout room. City Attorney is here to review your matter, so I'm gonna move you twice so that you end up in room 5. Okay, do you want the Tompkins file?
Thank you.
Mhm.
All right.
All right, and then ready on James Taylor. I have the file already, Madam Clerk. Good morning again, Mr. Taylor, calling ticket number P1869922 and P1480625. Oh, I'm sorry, we already took care of the other one. No, we didn't. City versus James Taylor. Mr. Taylor, state your name for the record, please.
James Taylor II.
Mr. Taylor, please state your name for the record.
James Taylor II.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Taylor, I've got 2 tickets in front of me. One is written by Officer Anderson, who the court has not heard from this morning. That's a driving with revoked. Ms. Horn, have you heard from Officer Anderson this morning?
I have not, Your Honor. However, the people are moving for dismissal on that one ticket.
Okay, pursuant to the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Thank you. All right. And that leaves us with the ticket written by Officer Salome, who did appear today for failure to display a valid license and failure to stop for the stop sign. Looks like they're going to reduce the failure to display to an allowing unlicensed driver to drive so that you're not getting a moving violation. And then the failure to stop is going to be amended to a blockading traffic so that you're not getting any points there and it's not reporting out to insurance, just paying a fine. All that sound correct to you, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I really need you to speak up. Your audio is bad.
Yes, ma'am. I understand. Yes.
Thank you. All right. Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Is it true, sir, that on February 19th of 2026 in the area of Tyerman and Abington, that you allowed an unlicensed driver to operate your vehicle even if the unlicensed driver was yourself?
Yes.
And you are also admitting to blockading traffic at that date and location, which is an amendment from the failing to stop at a stop sign. Is that correct?
Yes.
Thank you. Your fine on the allowing unlicensed driver is $190. On the blockading, it's $175. You have 60 days to either pay these off in full or start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor by giving them a down payment. As long as you do one of those two things within the next 60 days, this deal will remain in place, okay?
Yes,
Have a great weekend, sir.
thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye. All right. Who's on odds? Do you remember? Hang on, somebody go see Roderick Terry. We need someone to go visit him. Let's see. Let's see if Attorney Johnson can do that. I guess sometimes when someone changes rooms, it makes that same noise.
Yeah, maybe.
Because I keep looking for someone to have come in, but there's no one, you know.
May I approach?
Absolutely.
So for on Bush's tickets, blockading and unallowing, and then dismissal of the balance.
Okay, thank you. So those are the only two things you're asking?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, just so I'm clear. Blockading and allowing.
Yeah, he's almost his suspension available eligible for statement after 3-2.
Okay.
6. So
Gotcha.
looks like that last FCD he got put him out of here.
Okay, do you know if you were dealing with Johnson or, you don't know probably?
I can't remember. Oh, it might be Johnson.
I'm
I
trying
told
to
him I had to
remember.
go look at the tickets.
Okay, I'm trying to remember who's doing evens and
Yeah.
who's doing odds. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Did you want me to rename the room or?
I did it already.
Okay, thank you.
Mhm. And then on Prince, you're dealing with, I guess, Soroki on that one probably.
Yeah, let me take a look at my notes. Let me see. Oh, I'm glad you said that, Your Honor. I think I need to see, what was it on Prince? No, that's the wrong docket.
Yeah, you did have officers here, so you must have spoken to some of them.
On Hakim's ticket, it is dog abandonment. I just need to look at it. The officer wants to see what address that was. Yeah, I can go through them. You don't have, unless you lead them right now.
You said Officer Kim?
Hakim, H.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, let me go first. Thank you.
All right, on Terry, where's my offer sheet? Here we go. There was an offer already on Roderick Terry. Yeah, 3-month delay. Hey, Soroki. Ms. Horn is in here reviewing the Prince file, so I just brought you out so you'd be where she is.
Okay, that's good.
Attorney Soroki, can you do me a favor? Attorney Johnson seems to be stuck in room 7. In room 5, I have an offer on Mark Tompkins now, which is to reduce his fail to signal to a blockading.
Okay,
The driving while license suspended would be reduced to allowing.
okay,
And then 1, 2, 3 other matters would be dismissed. No insurance, expired plates, and registration would all be dismissed.
okay. I'll go talk to him right now.
Thanks so much.
You're welcome.
I'm Robert Terry. Let me just read my offer sheet. Roger Terry.
Hello.
Okay. All right, Mr. Terry, good morning to you again.
Good morning.
Looks like you're going to be pleading guilty to 1 count of failure to display a valid license, and then also the failure to secure load, but that one under a 3-month delayed sentence, so it'll come off your record in 3 months as long as you don't get any similar tickets and you pay the fine.
Okay.
Okay. So we're calling tickets number P1880932 and P1880954, all counts. Mr. Terry, please state your name for the record.
Roderick Terry.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Terry, you heard the plea agreement I just described to you. The other matters would be dismissed. Other than those, did anyone promise you? Does that sound right to you?
Yeah, ma'am. I was driving without my
Okay,
license.
stop, Mr. Terry. I just want to know if what I said sounds like what the attorney told you was going to happen, that you're going to plead to 1 count of failure to display, a 3-month delay on the failure to secure, everything else would be dismissed. Is all of that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Okay. Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, he did.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth?
Yes.
I need you. Thank you. All right, sir, is it true that on March 13th of 2026 in the area of Grand River and Ardmore that you were operating a vehicle and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Is it also true that you failed to properly secure the load you were carrying on that day?
Yes.
All right, thank you. Your fine on the failure to display is $190, and your fine on the failure to secure is $100. You have 60 days. Within the 60 days, you can pay these in full, or you can come see the cashiers on the first floor about a longer term payment plan. And as long as you give them the down payment for that payment plan and get started on it within the next 60 days, this deal will remain in place. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. You say that's a total of $290?
$290, sir. Yeah. All right. Have a great day. Good weekend.
All right, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye-bye. All right. And we've got Mr. Tompkins, it looks like, ready to go while we wait for Mr. Prince to be ready.
And then, I'm writing up an offer for Prince, so I'll put that in the file.
All right. Thank you. And on Tompkins, it was to 1 count of blockading and 1 count of allowing. All right. Mr. Tompkins, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right. Calling ticket P1885414 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Mark Tompkins. Mr. Tompkins, please state your name for the record.
Mark Tompkins, Tompkins.
Thank you. And for the record, ticket ending in 5414 contains charges of driving while license suspended, no insurance, and expired plates. And then I have ticket ending in 5424, P1885424, same date, same location, alleging no valid registration and a failure to signal. Mr. Tompkins, my understanding is that the failure to signal is being amended to blockading, while the driving while license suspended is being amended to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. The insurance, expired plates, and registration would all be dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand and swear affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. Is it true, sir, that on March 20th of 2026 in the area of East McNichols in Oakland, that you allowed an unlicensed driver to operate your vehicle, even if that unlicensed driver was yourself?
Yes.
And is it also true that you're admitting to blockading traffic on that same date and location, which is a reduction from the failure to signal?
Yes.
Thank you. All right. On your allowing, the fine is $190. On the blockading, the fine is $175. On both of these, I'm giving you 60 days to either pay them in full or start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor by giving them a down payment that they ask for. As long as you do one of those two things in the next 60 days, this deal will remain intact. I'm sorry, I'm adjusting this. Yep, 60 days, okay?
Yes.
All right. Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
See that Terry file that I just, Terry? It was the failure to secure load.
Jerry?
Yeah.
Oh. Put it up there.
Thank you. I just want to make sure that I correctly noted the ticket. Yeah, I didn't because I told him 60 days, but this is a 3-month delay, so it's actually going to be 90 days on this, okay?
Okay.
And I'll just apply the 90 days to both. Thank you. All right, so then it's just Prince.
Yeah, just Prince.
You want me to bring Soroki back out here for that?
Yeah, that'd be nice. Yeah, we can do it here. The judge, if the court is amenable.
Okay. We don't have anything else, so it's not taking up time. Attorney Johnson, thank you so much for everything today.
Okay, everybody have a great weekend.
Good to see you. Have a great weekend.
Thank you.
Okay, see you.
All right, that's fine.
All right. All right, now we've just got Soroki on Prince. I'm trying to get him out here. He was out here. Just tell him I want him to come out. I'm sending this. I unfortunately cannot enter breakout rooms from this computer because I get stuck in there. I don't know why. Yeah, I can't get back out. I just broadcasted a text message. See if I can get in, but. Can you tell me the offer in case I need to call Attorney Johnson back? Because I don't know what's going on with Soroki.
No problem, Your Honor. So the offer for Prince
Okay.
is.
Oh, here he is.
Yep.
All right. Attorney Soroki,
Yes.
ready for your offer on Prince? Thanks for taking care of
Yes,
that
I
other
am.
one for me.
And Mr. Soroki, a failure to display as to Nelson's ticket. Midway
Okay.
down. And as to Hakim's ticket, the dog abandonment, a 6-month delayed sentence.
Where's the dog abandonment? You said Kim's ticket. Let's see your dog.
Hakim,
Oh, I got
H-A-
it. I see it. Sorry. What is that? I'm
6-month delay.
Yes. Okay.
And
Okay.
then, and on Huber's ticket, Jessica
Right.
Huber, Stefanovic.
What on Jessica? I'm sorry.
Jessica Huber's ticket, these are dismissals for no
Oh, they're
recollection.
dismissals. Okay. Dismiss.
Um,
And Savanovic too?
Yep, Jessica Huber, Stefanovic, and Dolly, Xavier
And
Dolly.
Dolly. Okay. Got it. All right.
Ambrose, I'm dismissing. He's retired.
You're dismissing
Okay.
that pursuant to the plea?
Yes, yep, dismissing pursuant to the plea. All other matters with all other officers, please make a motion for no police
No
officer.
PO.
If it's like 1 or 2, I dismiss it, but I don't want to dismiss so many and someone audit the case and say, why did you dismiss all of them?
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. He can plead no contest on that dog abandonment one if he wants.
Okay. Very good.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Amen.
Okay. All right, we ready on Mr. Prince?
How
Yeah,
you
sure.
doing?
Okay, thank you. Let me just see. I don't have an officer here, so that's fine. We'll go ahead and call the matters. Calling ticket P1017145 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Tyrese Shantez Prince. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Yes. Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Soroki, P37441. I'm here on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, sir?
Tyrese Shantez Prince.
Thank you. All right. I know that we've got a plea agreement here. Are we proceeding with that agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. I'm going to just kind of take tickets as I have them in order, if that's okay. I understand, though, that there's going to be a plea to 1 count of failure to display, a 6-month delay on the dog ticket, and then we've got a number of other matters that are going to be dismissed, but the plea will be to those 2. Is that consistent with your understanding, Mr. Prince?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So I've got ticket 411221, which was written by an Officer Hunter. Is there a motion there, counsel?
Yes. Defense moves to dismiss this matter. No PO.
Okay. All right. That one is dismissed for no officer present. Then I have a U ticket, U314111216. That is Jessica Huber's ticket. I understand this ticket is being dismissed with prejudice for no recall. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. Then I have ticket ending in 7145, which is Officer Stevanovich's ticket. I understand that one is also being dismissed for no recall. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Then I have ticket ending in 5980, which is Officer White's ticket. I understand you have a motion there.
Yes, Your Honor. We request dismissal based on officer's failure to appear for trial today.
That one will be dismissed for no officer present based upon your motion, counsel. I then have ticket ending in 6492, Officer Ambrose's ticket. I understand you have a motion there.
Yes, Your Honor. Defendant moves to dismiss this matter. Officer is no longer with the force, I believe, and we're just asking that the matter be dismissed.
Okay, that will be dismissed on your motion. And be aware, though, that there are 2 matters that are in default from that ticket, a passing on the right and no proof of insurance. It's too late for me to do anything about those, so you'll have to pay fines on those, Mr. Prince. It's just 2 that you got at some point, didn't come to court on, and they just gave you the fines, okay?
Okay.
Okay, but it's from 2023, so it's too late for me to pull it out of default. Count 3 will be dismissed for no officer on your motion. And then, Ms. Horn, I am noting on the tickets that these were dismissed on motion in case a question should come up about them later.
Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate that.
All right, then I have ticket ending in 9541, which is Officer Hatcham's ticket. Let's see. Got Dolly. And I've got Nelson. All right. This is Officer Hatcham's ticket, which I thought I checked Officer Hatcham in. Is this one dismissed pursuant to the plea, Ms. Horn?
No, that's a dog abandonment chart. The case is pleading to a 6-month delayed sentence.
That's the 6-month delay. Okay.
Yes, and I am in contact with Officer Hatcham. He actually texted me wondering if the defendant had appeared. Thank you.
We'll come back to that one then when I'm ready to take the pleas. I've got ticket ending in 0927. That one is Officer Nelson's ticket. What are we doing with that one?
Defendant is
That was a
pleading to,
failure to display. Okay, so that gets set aside. For some reason, I had, let's just see what I had that we were taking pleas on failure to display. That would be Officer Nelson's ticket. And then I have Officer Hatchim's ticket, which is a 3-month delay on that one. All right. Then
I think
have
Hatchim's ticket was a 6-month delayed sentence, right?
6-month delay. You're right. I wrote it down. Thank you. Ticking ending in 4132. That is Officer Dolly's ticket. I understand that one is being dismissed with prejudice for no recall.
That is correct, Your Honor.
Then I have ticket ending in 3489, which would be Officer Greenwood's ticket. Do you have a motion there, counsel?
Yes, defense moves to dismiss this matter as a police officer has not appeared for trial.
All right, thank you. Let me find a place to write that down. Out of space on this ticket. All right, I'm trying to, Madam Clerk, I'm going to bring this one to your attention. Just because I'm completely out of space to write on the ticket. So it's written here.
Okay.
Okay. All right, I have ticket ending in 6997, which looks like Officer Martis. Do you have a motion there, counsel?
Yes, defense moves to dismiss this matter based upon the police officer has failed to appear for trial.
Thank you. Same thing on this one, Madam Clerk. I then have ticket ending in 7335, which is Officer Coldwell's ticket. Do you have a motion there?
Yes, Your Honor. Defense moves to dismiss this matter for the reason police officer has failed to appear for trial.
Thank you. That motion is granted. All right. Now, that leaves us with Officer Hatchim's and Nelson's tickets. Mr. Prince, please raise your right hand and swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Okay, you can put your hand down. Did anyone promise you anything other than what I've said on the record today to get you to plead guilty to these 2 charges?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand and swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. You can put your hand down. All right. Is it true, sir, that on June 6th of 2022 in the area of Hubble and Finkel, that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Thank you. And then, sir, you are charged with failing to provide adequate care to an animal on July 3rd of 2025 in the area of Hayden and Schoolcraft. Is that true?
Yes.
And is it true that you did do that?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. On that one, you've got a 6-month delay. That means that as long as you pay that ticket within 6 months and you don't get any similar tickets, then we'll simply pull this up and dismiss it from your record. Okay?
Thank you.
All right, thank you. I will advise you that the animal control officers are very diligent and they will keep coming back. And that
I know. I know.
big sentence, okay? So you want to make sure that you are really keeping things in order over the next 6 months and that you get it paid. All right, on that one. And then what I'm going to do on the other one, on the failure to display, that one is 190. Both of these are $190.
Okay.
So animal ticket, you have 6 months to get that paid. On the failure to display, that one's going to be a 60-day ticket. Okay, 60 days to pay it or start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor by giving them a down payment that they'll ask you for. As long as you do one of those two things in the next 60 days, your deal will remain in place. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Have a great weekend. Congratulations getting all these tickets resolved.
Thank you. It's my birthday too, so it's a
Oh,
plus.
happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday. Okay, that's a good birthday.
Thank you. Okay, so I only have to pay my if I pay my no insurance, I get my license back.
Now that you have to talk to the Secretary of State about. I don't know for sure because I don't know what you have going on in other jurisdictions. So you got to talk to them and see. But the one is a failure to display. That one's 190. And then you have the animal ticket. Everything else got dismissed for Detroit. So you don't have any other Detroit tickets.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Happy birthday again. Have a good day.
Thank you. Sure.
Fun weekend. Okay, bye.
Thank
All right, Attorney Soroki.
Okay. You're welcome, Judge. Have a good weekend, everyone.
You too.